Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Busy Dad. Today we're making sesame noodles. This is a 10-minute dish if you've already got these noodles prepped. We've taken our spaghetti, and you really just do need regular plain old spaghetti for this. Sesame seed oil and sesame seeds, and we've tossed them up and let this cool in the fridge. This is really a cool summer dish. Now for meat in this dish, it would be most traditional, or at least I've seen it done most, with finely chopped up ham, like the kind of slices you get from a deli, but sliced into really small portions. But I fried up some sausage, mostly because I have these hot peppers from the garden that I want to be giving some flavor, but also not being blazingly hot. So, once this mixture is fried up a little bit, we're just going to add a bowl of black vinegar, thank you helper, and some soy sauce. And this is our sauce that's going to go over our cold noodles. And we need some vegetables on top of our noodles. In case you can't tell, this is a cucumber. My garden is giving us so many cucumbers this summer, and I have got to do something with all of these. So what we were doing is using them on top of our noodles. We're just going to slice them up really thin. Little thin slices, trying not to get too much of the seeds. We're going to get rid of a little bit of the seed mixture from the beginning. That's why I sliced the cucumber down the sides. And so we're going to transform these into little slivers. This is too big. You want it to be about the same size, width, etc. as the noodles, or at least as close as you can come. You might also notice on the cutting board over here is a little bit of finely chopped green onion. Just the white part in this case. There is one ingredient I almost forgot about, and it is a fried egg pancake. As much as possible, we want to take our egg and not disturb it in this pan until it forms flat pancake that we can take out and chop up into little strips, just like our cucumber. Once we've got all of our ingredients prepped, we'll put together a dish. It's pretty simple. The noodles, of course, go on the bottom. Then on top of that, our sliced cucumber, a little bit of that green onion, and some sausage with the sauce. You can let your diners do this at the table if you want, or you can do it ahead of time. And then finally we put our fried egg on top. Our egg pancake, sliced up. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So here we go. This is going to be a little challenging for me to try all of these ingredients at once, but that is actually part of the charm of this dish. I am happy to report back that this is amazing. I hope when you cook this, you think it's amazing too. If you want, hit the subscribe button down below and help me grow this channel. If you just love this video and you'd like to see more, make sure YouTube knows that. Hit like, ring the bell, leave me a comment, tell me what you'd like to see. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.